Each one of us is referred by a particular name in the real world. It is obvious that we cannot call each other if one has no name. Hey David, how are you doing? Hey Stella, how is life treating you? Similarly, variable acts as a name to a particular data which is given to it. We can refer to that variable name whenever we want to use the data stored in that particular variable. In simple words, we can say that a variable is used to store the data. Hey guys, it's me Keen Inside, and today's topic is variables in Python. Consider a value 10 which is given to a variable x. Here the value 10 is stored in the variable x and can be used multiple times in the program by referring to the variable x. Here variable makes it more easier to use a particular value multiple times in the program, and moreover we don't need to mention the type of the data. For example, in C programming language, a data type must be mentioned before the variable name as shown here. Data type variable name equals to value. Consider the variable name as Keen and the value given to it is 15. Then the data type would be integer. Whereas in Python, we don't need to mention what type of data is given to a particular variable. We can directly assign a value to a variable without declaring its data type. There are few examples for you to distinguish between the types of the data. X equals to 10 would fall under integer data type, x equals to 10.5 would fall under float, x equal to Keen would fall under string. Why can't we assign a value to a value? Why can't a number be a variable? I know these questions are boggling around your head. Python has a set of rules to be followed in order to assign a value to a variable. Variable name can be any letter or any name but not a number. Variable name can be declared in lowercase or in uppercase. Few examples are given below. These both examples are treated differently even though the variable name is similar. Few examples of variables is given for better understanding of variables. Now, how do we print the values in these variables? A simple print statement can do that for us. Example program is given here. In the above program, the command print A prints the value in the variable A, and the other print statement prints the variable A. So we understood what variable is all about and how it works. Now it's time for you to experiment with different variable names and find out how they work in Python. You can also download and install Python from the link given in the description below.